How should I prioritize tasks to avoid procrastination? How should you prioritize tasks to avoid procrastination? This is a question many teenagers face, especially when juggling schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and social life. Let's break it down into simple steps that can help you stay on track and boost your productivity. First, start by listing all the tasks you need to complete. Write down everything, from homework assignments to chores. Once you have your list, it's time to prioritize. A great way to do this is by using the Eisenhower Matrix. This tool divides tasks into four categories based on urgency and importance. The first category is urgent and important. These are tasks that must be done right away, like studying for a test that is tomorrow. The second category is important but not urgent. These tasks are essential for your long-term goals, such as preparing for a future exam. Next, we have urgent but not important tasks. These requiring quick action but do not significantly contribute to your goals, like responding to messages. Lastly, there are tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are distractions, such as scrolling through social media. Focus on completing tasks that are both urgent and important first. This ensures you meet deadlines and handle key responsibilities. After that, schedule time for important but less urgent tasks. This way, you can avoid last-minute stress. Try to minimize time spent on urgent but less important tasks. It's also wise to limit activities that fall into the lowest priority category. Breaking larger projects into smaller steps can make them feel less overwhelming. Each small step you complete gives you a sense of progress. Set clear daily or weekly goals so you know exactly what you want to achieve. This helps reduce feelings of being lost or unsure about where to start. Avoid multitasking, as it can split your attention and lead to more procrastination. Instead, focus on one task at a time until it is completed. Turning off distractions, like your phone, while you work can help you maintain focus. Using a planner, a to-do list, or time management applications can keep your tasks organized and reminded you of deadlines. Another effective strategy is time blocking. This means you set specific periods during the day to work on particular tasks. This method helps you stay on track and avoid last-minute rushes. Lastly, remember to take short breaks to recharge. Taking breaks can improve your concentration and reduce the temptation to procrastinate. By organizing your tasks based on urgency and importance, setting clear goals, focusing on one task at a time, and managing distractions, you can prioritize effectively and reduce procrastination.